Speedbird 212. Radar contact established. Climb and maintain flight level 150.
ATC Speedbird 212. We just hit birds after takeoff, around 1,500 feet. We're experiencing vibrations.
Copy that, Speedbird 212. Confirm, bird strike at 1,500 feet. Any engine abnormalities?
Affirmative. We believe it was a flock. Engine 2 shows fluctuating RPM. Requesting immediate return to the airport.
Speedbird 212, roger. Turn right heading 090. You are cleared to return. Runway 27 is available. Emergency services are being notified.
Turning to heading 090. Cleared for runway 27. Speedbird 212 declaring pan engine issue and bird strike.
Speedbird 212. Pan acknowledged. Expect vectors for immediate approach. Descend to 3,000 feet.
Descending to 3,000. Speedbird 212.
Speedbird 212. You're 10 miles from the runway. Contact tower on 118.7. Good luck, sir.
Switching to tower. Appreciate the support.